Okay. Okay. So it's raining, guys, and rain is the one season I pretty much hate. I thought it would be okay if I install the number plate, but that does not seem to be the case. I'm just going to get some lunch, so no riding gear. But damn. And also I'm checking the audio a bit. This is gain at -6. I think I need to put it -9. But whatever. Yeah, definitely the tires. This video is to mention them. They are, I would rate them good. Definitely good. Yeah, pretty much the vlogs will be less because the climate is very, very annoying. I cannot ride well. Yeah, I will upload a shot. Maybe you get some idea before, because I'm not near the bike. The bike is pretty much in my grandparents' house, and I just came to. Yeah, from now on I'll keep using it. But yeah, the damage was done. I left for 3 days and it rained. Every rain is unexpected. When I expected the rain, I pretty much put it in a well closed area. But yeah, it's peak summer, yeah. It was hot as hell that day. I know it's bad, but I never know it would be a fucking disaster. So by this point it's very clear. I definitely need to buy a splash guard. Come on, man, under 10 to 15,000.